Welcome to our channel. Sling TV's Grid Guide helps you browse channels and schedule recordings efficiently. Here's how to navigate and use the guide effectively. Step 1. Open Sling TV and navigate to the guide by selecting the Guide or Grid option from the main menu. Step 2. The grid displays channels vertically on the left and time slots horizontally across the top, showing what's currently playing and upcoming programs. Step 3. Use arrow keys or swipe gestures to scroll through channels vertically and move through time horizontally to see future programming. Step 4. Click or tap on any program in the guide to view detailed information, including description, duration, and cast details. Step 5. To watch a live program, select it from the guide and choose Watch Now, or simply click the program tile. Step 6. Set recordings by selecting future programs and choosing Record, or clicking the record icon, typically shown as a circular button. Step 7. Use the filter options at the top of the guide to view specific genres like sports, news, movies, or entertainment. Step 8. Jump to a specific time by clicking the time indicator at the top of the guide and selecting your desired viewing time. Step 9. Customize your guide by hiding channels you don't watch. Access Settings and select Manage Channels to customize your view. Step 10. Return to live TV by scrolling back to the current time in the guide or selecting Live from the menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.